What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, we got ourselves a new project, or I should say Luke's got himself a new project.
Finally.
Picked this up last night. Little 96 Dakota factory V8 truck. 390 shore grip. Needs a little TLC, but it's got good bones. The only real major body damage is this front fender, which we can find us a replacement for that. Let's see. 390 shore grip. Factory 5.2 truck. The previous owner's done some modifications, like put the battery relocated in the bed. They did Beltec drop on it. It's got Beltec springs on the front, sway bar. Supposed to have new brakes on the front. It's got a 3-inch block on the rear, I think. It's got a pretty nice little stance to it already. We'll pop the hood and give y'all a look at the engine, let y'all see what that looks like. So yeah, like I said, 5.2 Magnum. It's had some electric fans off of a Ford Contour or something put in here. And the dude relocated the battery to the trunk. We got a little wiring issues we got to take care of. It's probably got some ground issues. I noticed that the volts gauge was fluctuating on it. Oil pressure gauge comes and goes. It don't know if it wants to work or not. So,
And no fuel gauge.
well, yeah, the fuel gauge don't work either. So, but it's a solid little truck. Somebody must have ordered this for a little hot rod, because they ordered it with all the good stuff. Short bed, 96 model. It's got high miles. It's got like 286,000 on it, but it's a Magnum, so hopefully she'll hold up. Got some plans to clean this thing up. Excuse me. We got some plans to clean this thing up. We'll paint those wheels. We might shoot some paint on the body. Interior is not in too bad a shape. Dude actually put new carpet in it.
But he also forgot the seat belts, so
yeah,
it's a problem.
We got the belts. We just need to get the buckles. Dash is cracked. That's typical Dodge stuff, but cup holders work. Factory stereo still in here. Heat works. It's got air, but I don't think the compressor's no good. So, little TLC, little cleaning up. It's got factory cruise control on it, so it's a pretty decent little truck. Crank windows. You gotta worry about them going out. So y'all be seeing a lot more of this on the channel. And then of course we still got the Fury down there. I'm gonna throw y'all up on a time lapse. I think Lucas is gonna give this thing its first bath and see how good it'll clean up. We're gonna give it the old Comet wash. See how good we can get this thing to shine up.